from Springsville, I said, this season. So yeah, Gary Lou, oh God, he's so handsome, he's so hot. I've received some questions like, who is the best friend from Supermodel of the Year? So, so my best friends, like I was able to bond with Muna first of all, and then Roshni also, and then Diksha also. We were like, you know, 3 tiers. We were best of best, and we used to enjoy a lot. We were kind of best friends, and we still talk about our experience, you know, out there. Yes, I know how to speak in Nepali. I know how to speak in Supa too, but I'm not that fluent. So it's a beautiful man. Oh, thank you so much. How difficult it is to reply when someone asks you to go on date. Oh, yeah. Oh yes, that's so. Oh God, yeah. So Gaurav, yeah. How difficult it is to reply when someone asks you to go on date. Oh God, I face this. You know, it's so awkward for me because my sisters, my friends, they are making fun of me out here. So how difficult it is to reply. Gaurav, so it is very difficult for me. Oh God, it's the most awkward scene that I have to face, or I have to say that, you know, I don't want to, or that's the most awkward thing I've faced this like many times, and I don't know what should I reply, because maybe that's cool for them that they are asking me out, but that's not cool for me because I haven't, you know, I've never felt this. So yeah, it's quite awkward for me. To when Anusha ma'am said we have like got our money shot, or what does that mean? So money shot means like you have got that one shot, you know, the best shot that will be showing to the mo Darjeeling gएको थिएँ एकचोटि अस्ति भर्खर रिसेन्टली हामी बाइकमा गएको थियौँ साथीहरुसँग. सो अहिले रोड धेरै राम्रो बनिएको छ. सो म बेलामा पुरा एकदमै हामी यहाँबाट जाँदाखेरि त एकदम गरम थियो, अन्त हामी अब हुन्छ नि नर्मल क्याजुअल टीहरु लगाएर गएको थियौँ. त्यहाँ माथि पुरा जाडो. म कहिले भिजिट गरेको थिएन दार्जिलिङ, सानोमा एकचोटि गरेको थिएँ, अन्त गएको थिएँ, अन्त मजाको लाग्यो. चौरस्ता टु स्टे, बट देन इट वाज समर, मतलब त्यो टाइममा समर्समा त्यस्तो जाडो हुन्छ भनेर. सो yes, obviously about finals, but I'm motivated by it. Thank you so much. Yes, like you know, I told you before also that most of my followers, most of my, you know, supporters are like young girls, and I'm so happy looking at them, telling me that I'm their inspiration, I'm their idol. So once I was on field duty, and I was on field duty, so Xavier, I'm a big fan for Sikkim. Thank you. So yeah, I was on field duty. तब क्या हुआ था, एक छोटी सी बच्ची आई थी. 2-3 बार हुआ ऐसा मेरे साथ. सो 2-3 बार हुआ. तो आया था, तो यू नो, उसने कहा कि मुझे भी आप जैसा बनना है, पुलिस में जाना है और मॉडलिंग करना है. सो दैट गेव मी गूज़बम्प्स. And ऐसा मतलब ऐसा love, ऐसा react, I never thought that I'll get this kind of, you know, love and support. So yes, I'm very much happy. I wish you lots of luck. Thank you so much, Nis. Yeah, and many of, like, you know, few, I want to tell you that yes, I know how to speak in Nepali. I know how to speak in Supa too, but I'm not that fluent. The judge also gonna join. Yeah. Hey, yes, I even received some messages regarding like police, and you know how to train. Some of them were telling that they are not that financial you know, stable. So I want to tell you that to join in a police academy or any of like, you know, defense system, you don't need to pay. You just have to pass your all test, or like physical test, yeah, medical test. You just have to test. You just have to pass the test. That's all. You don't have to pay them. You don't have to pay anyone. What does drag queens? What? Hi, ma'am. Have you ever been to Jharkhand? No, I have never been to Jharkhand. Bye, love you. Okay, bye. Finals, but I'm not allowed. तो वहाँ सब update रहते. So you just can follow that page, and yes, you get news time by time, so you'll get to know everything. I'm also doing I'm more doing deep. Love from Asha. Assam, do you know Assamese? Do you Assamese? Do you Assamese? Matlab, do you know how to speak in Assamese, or do you? Lots of love from Darjeeling. Lots of love from Sikkim. Dimple, thank you so much. Keep signing. Yeah, and even kind of I've never done so. And Aman Kurungdi, I know who won. That's a secret. Love from Sikkim. By the way, lots of love. Thank you. More modeling field and also in this police field. So मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता लाइव आने के लिए. शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए यार, क्योंकि ड्यूटी इज ड्यूटी, राइट? ड्यूटी कम फर्स्ट. So is my favorite. Gina. So Gina and Jakoish, right who can write up what is my favorite, and we are is same with me. I can I can do knockouts also क्योंकि मेरा मतलब राइट में थोड़ा ज़्यादा पावर है. तो यार this two this keyword but your best but it's Prayanta Thapa. Roshni Dara will be but your best. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you. Lots of love from Birpara. Thank you. Hey universe. Thank you. Thank you so much. I don't think that I'll be able to reply each and everyone's comments. I'm so sorry for that. Hiksha, you're really a many women across LA. Yeah, thank you so much. Just wait, give me 1 sec. I hope my network is good, Abhi. Didi in YouTube, Roshni has carried the winner trophy. See winner, please reply. That's a secret. This Sunday, you can see the episode because it's the grand final now. Lots of love from Pakyong Siving. Thank you. Lots of love from West Sikkim. And also, yes, I am from West Sikkim, Sumbaria, Rumbok. Because I've been, like, you know, many of people have asked me where I am from. Then I'm from West Sikkim, Pakyong. आपसे मिलेंगे, हमसे मिलाएं तो आपसे मिलेंगे. So yes, my friends out there, they are teasing me. Lots of love from Dubai. Oh, lots of love from Sikkim. This is very sweet. Soft है, इतना work burden नहीं है तो इसीलिए. Hi Aftab. Durga हेर्दैछ. She's hot. I am Judas. Yeah, she's better.